One of the highlights of our trip to Kuala Lumpur is the free guided tour to Royal Selangor. Aside from learning about the rich history of the said company, we were able to learn more about Malaysia's economy and history as well. During this free tour, we visited their factory floor and saw how they craft their world-class products. There are also workshops for those who want to learn to make pewter accessories. Aside from our favorite spot here is the huge showroom gift shop where all their best pewter-based products are on display. For reviews on places, events, food, and resto, like and share this video and hit subscribe.